It's Thursday, so you know what time it is.
Damn right, it's better than yours. It's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. Damn.
Welcome back to Drinks with Danny, with me, Danielle Pierman, here at your one-stop shop for all things cocktails. So today I'm gonna make a whiskey mojito. Usually mojitos are made with rum, usually a light rum, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit and use whiskey. I feel like everyone always has whiskey on their bar, but sometimes, other than just mixing it with Coke or ginger ale, you're like, what do I do with this stuff? So, let's get started. So I have my mint leaves here, straight from my garden. I have my sugar, I have lime juice, and of course, you gotta have your whiskey. This time, I'm using Jack Daniels, but you can use whatever whiskey you have at home, whatever's your favorite, it all tastes good. And then I also have some seltzer water here. Absolutely love seltzer. Seltzer's always great for just topping off your drink so you have a little bit of bubbles in there. So let's get started. So first what you're gonna do is take your glass that you plan to make your drink in, and you're gonna drop a few of your mint leaves in there. Then you're gonna take your lime juice, a half a shot of our lime juice in there. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of your sugar in there. Use your muddler, the bigger side down, and just move it all around. Basically what you're trying to do is get all of those oils out of your mint leaves so that you can really taste it. This right here is my jigger. This is basically a bartender's measuring cup. So this side, the smaller side, is 1 ounce, and the bigger side is 2 ounces. Basically 1 shot, 2 shots. Easy as that. And you're gonna put in 1 shot of Jack Daniels. There's really no universal standard for a shot. Sometimes people do 1.5 ounces. Some people do 1 ounce. So I always like to add a little bit more. But it's totally up to you. So here we go. We have our drink here. I already have my ice ready to go. So I'm just gonna pour everything in there. Then you're gonna put your top on. Make sure you're holding this part of it because you don't want it to fly off. So now what we're gonna do is shake it up. Now I'm just gonna add a few more ice cubes in there. You don't want it to be super watered down, so 2 is fine. And then take your seltzer, top it off with your seltzer, and then you just add a few little cute mint leaves at the top. If you have like a little, there we go, get a little bushel of them like this, just add it in there, you know. How cute is that? It's like you went to some fancy bar and got this and paid all this money for this, and you made it right here at home. Hello. Cheers.